Hi there, it's Mary with Mary's Stampin' Cafe. Thanks so much for stopping in at my recorded and uploaded Saturday stamping video. And you know what it is. It's hashtag SatmornMakes as well as hashtag 2crafters1design. The theme for this week for Crafters One Design is friendship. And of course, hashtag SatmornMakes is any type of theme in crafting. And so you can check out those hashtags and get all sorts of ideas and creative motivation. I am here today. It's March 1st, and that's where I am going to share my opportunity on how you can get my free March card kit when you place an order with me. So this month I am featuring the Darling Dinos bundle. I'm telling you, these are super, super sweet. And you know what? You don't need little kids to have this bundle. I think any of the fun, flirty little character stamp sets are wonderful. And people love getting these no matter what age they are. And so I just love these little guys. And let me share with you this bundle. It's so, so stinking sweet. I have a disclaimer though. I know you probably have done this yourself, but when you go to order something, you put in the wrong number. And when you get it, you're like, something is not right. Well, I got the beautiful Darling Dinos, but I accidentally ordered the version in French. So all of my sentiments are in French. And I wasn't able to get this in English in time for March 1st to go ahead and share my free card kit. So you'll just have to bear with me. What's interesting about the Darling Dino stamp set is many of the sentiments are just occasional ones that you probably have your own anyway. You're the best, I love you, happy birthday. But there are a couple that are specific for this bundle. Roar means I love you in dinosaur. You are terrific. And then I hope your birthday is dynamite. So there are a few stamp sentiments that are particular for these dinosaurs, and that is awesome. We want our things to coordinate like that. Well, let me go ahead and tell you, how do you get my free March card kit? Well, in my free card kits, you can earn them between the 1st and the 15th of the month. When you place a minimum $30 order at my online store, I will package and send to you supplies and a PDF tutorial to complete 4 cards that I have designed. Now, I cannot stamp any images nor sentiments for you, but I can cut your papers, I can die cut out any of the dies, but you will have to provide your own ink, your own adhesive, and your own stamp sets as well as sentiments. I can't do any of that for you. That's why I would suggest that you have the Darling Dino bundle. If that's something you're not interested in, I'm sure you can switch with any of the other fun kind of characters and animals that we have. I mean, goodness, we've got the bunnies, we have the fluffiest friends, we've got the different chicks and all of those things. So there's great fun character type things that you can do. I want to share the cards with you so you can see what they are. And then I do have my blog linked below that you can click and read all more details about specifics. I'll also have their additional supplies you will need. You will need your coloring tools to color your dinosaurs. You will need stamp pads for your sentiments, and then also for some blending. So let's take a look. Here's a cute little happy birthday with that T-Rex coming out of the egg, and he's ready to go. And it says, let's celebrate. Super cute. I love this offset gatefold. It's one of my favorites right now. But we've got that beautiful little Triceratops, and it says thank you. And I've gone ahead and done our tropical leaf here. I do want to let you know about this tropical leaf. So this guy right here, it's a beautiful large tropical leaf. I just love it. It's on the Last Chance clearance rack right now for $6.90. This would be a great thing to add to your order to get towards that $30 minimum order to earn my free card kit for March. So that I would really suggest. I really like that one. So I've just added a couple of those, that beautiful designer paper. All of my cards today feature designer paper, because I know you all have lots of designer series paper. So was thinking about in this particular March kit, about using some designer paper, and really that helped me kind of get that coloring theme for the dinosaurs. It's not all bright and colorful, a little bit more earthy. And then when you open up, it says you're the best. So there we are, there's two. Got this super cute little, I want to call them like a little Loch Ness monster almost, right? And the coloring that's going on. I'm using one of the beautiful nature designer series paper. I do want to let you know that depending upon the orders and things, there might be some variation in designer paper, but they'll all be within that same tone. I'm utilizing some embellishments with the dragonflies and birds. You'll get those embellishments. You'll probably get other embellishments just thrown in to add however you'd like on your projects. I like to do that. But this little guy is Oh Happy Day. He's got some little friends there, or lunch. And then I just have the rock stamped here. I might go ahead and add another sentiment in here, but I want to wait for my English set. So there's three. And then the fourth card, this one is so stinking cute, and it does have the French sentiment there just because I wanted you to get the full thing. So this actually says, roar means I love you in dinosaur. Super sweet. So I will have your ovals punched, your designer series paper and cardstock all cut. I'll have their little accents of our top hat and bow tie there, all done for you. The only thing again is I cannot stamp your images or your sentiments, so you've got to make sure that you've got those things that you need. And then I just did the little flower inside on that one. So there are the 4 cards. And what I do is I prep all of your supplies for a card, and I will put it in the envelope. So once you pull out the supplies, everything you need for that card is right there. And that's true for each of the 4 cards. Again, you have from today, the 1st to the 15th of March, to place your minimum $30 order on my online store. And then on the 16th, I will go ahead and I will prep all of the card projects for as many that I needed. Again, I have my blog post, and so that link is below. This $6.90. Oh, I do want to let you know also, the designer paper that's on this card is a newer one by Stampin' Up. It was one of their recolored 12 by 12 packs. And it's also on the Last Chance products for like $8 instead of the $12.50. And so a couple of things there discounted on that Last Chance products. And I would check out that Last Chance products, check out the kits, check out online exclusives, all of those great places on Stampin' Up, because you will easily get to your $30 in no time. If you double and go to $60, I always double the card kit. So you would actually get 2 of each to create for 8 cards in your card kit. It is a great time to be crafting. It's a great time for Happy Mail to send to family and friends to lift up their spirits. And there you are. I hope you enjoyed these cards. And until next time, happy stampin'.